Looks like the Perkins Farm Trail is lost. Yesterday there was a thunderstorm, heavy winds that came through here, and now the trail is covered with branches. I think a microburst came through here and just took out a bunch of trees. I'll have to get to the other side of this. But yeah, the trail is gone. The trail's covered. I guess I can walk around it, but again, oh wow, look at this. Ripped up this tree, roots and all. It snapped this tree. Oh, and it snapped that tree too. So I guess we can walk around them. That's the good news. That's pretty rotted, so that makes sense. But it seems to be that something came straight through like this direction, pushing, because you can see that tree right up there. And you can see the branches are bent. So the wind pushed it, but the tree survived pretty well. So the trunk survived, the branches got bent, while these trees got snapped. And the one over there got ripped up right from the roots. So all this mess, wow. Whatever happened, these trees got decimated, destroyed. So must have been a maybe micro tornado or a microburst. I don't know, but there was a thunderstorm here about 20 hours ago and destroyed all these trees. Oh well, and that's it. Just a friggin' mess. But I don't know how to clean it up. I don't have the tools or the expertise to fix it, so maybe I guess we'll be starting to walk around them and be a new trail around these trees. What do you think? You think someone should be able to come in here and fix it? Or do you think just be like nature and just adapt and just walk around it? Which is probably what's going to be the easiest thing, and probably what's going to happen is we're going to have to learn to walk around it. But whatever. Like this, hate this, what's next?